Hello, aspiring web architects. I'm Professor Solo, and today we're entering the grid. Flexbox powered up our alignment abilities, but it's still one-dimensional. If you've ever tried building a page layout with nothing but nested flex, table tricks, floats, clears, copious cursing, wishes, and prayers, well, today we unlock a much, much better way. T.A. Watts, you're up. Take us into the grid.
Let's talk about the second dimension of layout.
So Flexbox showed up, and it absolutely nailed alignment. Done.
Alignment? Solved. But what about actual layout?
Yeah, turns out layout needed some serious backup.
Before Grid, making a full-page layout was, well, basically improv. You know the drill. Nested flex, float gymnastics, weird footer rituals. Ugh. And sure, it worked, but wow, was it fragile.
See, here's the deal with Flexbox. It only thinks in one dimension.
It's either a single row or a single column. That's it. But our web pages, they don't live in just one line. And that's where CSS Grid changes the game. It is two-dimensional. It understands both rows and columns at the exact same time. This means you build a structure first, then place your content. It totally flips how you approach layout. You gotta stop thinking the old way. So forget about top, bottom, left and right, just let it go. And instead, you start thinking like a real architect. You new vocabulary, lines, tracks, and whole areas.
Now hold up. This doesn't mean you ditch Flexbox. No way.
They're not rivals. They are the ultimate team-up.
Think Grid for the big picture and Flexbox for the components inside.
You use them together, and layout just finally makes sense.
So, what are you waiting for? Enter the grid.
Class dismissed.
Well, that's the mindset shift. Grid builds the structure first. Then we place the content into it, where we want it. Next up, we'll look at containers and items, where we flip the switch and actually turn on the grid. P.S. Keep learning.